Hello. So, there's a lot going on right now.
That is dumb.
What?
That is dumb.
What?
I was just watching some My Hero Academia. I know some people might not know or know what My Hero Academia is.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the moral of the story, kid. If there's a bully trying to fight you, fight back. No matter how much trouble you'll be in, at least you fought back.
Period. Hi guys. Alright, so I'm gonna try and style my hair. You guys saw me cut my hair and I didn't really give y'all any updates, which is so just, why would I do that? Why would I bring you on a journey and just not complete that journey, you know? So here we are. It's almost how long? It's been like a year and 3 months, okay? It's been a year and 3 months since I cut my hair. You guys, look at all of this. I had it in braids. I just finished braiding it. I'm in the process of brushing it out and detangling it. I only have this comb though, which is probably not the best comb to use. I have this one for after it's wet. Okay, I look crazy talking to you guys like this, but it's fine. I've been looking on Pinterest to try and see if I can do any hairstyles. Let me do a quick search real quick. After endlessly searching on Pinterest, we have found the one. Now, shout out to this girl. Don't know who she is. She is gorgeous though. It's this hairstyle. So she has like 2 strands coming out like this, and then she kind of had it in a little like 2 buns right here, and then like a half up, half down kind of look. And then I'll add some clips just to make it my style. Yeah. I think I have enough hair for this, right? Like, she looks like she has like maybe 4A hair. That's probably why it looks so good, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna finish detangling my hair, wash it, and try and do this style, I guess. Wish me luck. I have faith in myself though. I think it's gonna come out so good. Like, look at this already. Okay, now. Okay, detangling hair is so hard. It's so much. I don't know how y'all do it. I mean, the reason why I literally ignore my hair is because I just don't know how to take care of it. And I kind of just dived into the natural hair community with minimal research. I just never bothered to learn, like really never bothered to learn. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna put it in braids and wigs and stuff like that. I didn't really try. I should have probably tried when it was first growing out, when I was completely bald and it was first growing out. Now that I have a whole full head of hair, I'm like I just don't even know if I'm doing anything right, because I tried watching YouTube. Ooh, look at me. I tried watching YouTube videos to no avail. I really could do a lot with this, honestly. Where to start? And I'm supposed to put it in sections as I wash. I'm not gonna do that. Like, I actually do not have time for that. I cannot stress that enough. I don't have time for that. There's not enough hours in the day to be sectioning my hair just to wash it.
I ain't mad at him, baby. If I sent you out, me too would be upon you crazy. Diamond in the rough, you look as good as Opus Breaker. I just wanna take you out.
I'm also kind of ashamed that I don't know how to do hair, because my mom is a hairstylist. She had her own little salon in Ghana. In Ghana, we call it saloon though. Saloon. She had her own saloon in Ghana. I would go there all the time to get my hair done. She would have shows. She was in magazines. Like, Esther did a lot when it comes to hair. I guess I didn't get that gene because look at me. I know the natural hair champions are watching this like cringing.
What's up with your mouth? City girl straight from the south.
Back home I'm no president, I'm Obama. I condone drama.
So this is my hair after I shampooed and conditioned it. That was honestly a workout. Well, I don't even know how, like, where to go from here now, because I just dive right into the hairstyle, or y'all gonna get mad at me. I don't have the best products. Like I said, I really don't play with my hair a lot, so I don't even really know it, you know? I had meant to watch a bunch of YouTube videos and go out and get the products that they were suggesting, but I ran out of money and buying other things. I also just didn't feel like going to get stuff anyway. I have these two. I know it's it's bad. If you guys can recommend me some products, thanks, I'll be really appreciative. Yeah, it just hurts me that they're not black owned. I don't know what to do. You guys are looking at me.
Staying the night, girl, you promised it. I hide in the cave like Osama did. I'm blowing the bag in the diamond district. You need me like dollars that are owed to you. Yeah,
this could be a style, like a mohawk.
Me the same, but I just don't fall for you. Yeah, run me your body, I put a range on the.
Oh, my head hurts. I have a secret to tell. I fell asleep. Well, I went to go eat and then I fell asleep right after eating. The general consensus from the public is that if I want to do a hairstyle, I have to do a twist out or a braid out to kind of like stretch it out for the hairstyle. I called Clara. I was like, do I have to do that to stretch out my hair for this style? She's like, yeah. I'm like, fuck. I already got started on a couple. I've just been sectioning them and twisting them out. I'm not gonna get too super like technical about this because I already don't want to be doing this shit. So I'm just gonna do the best that I can, I guess. And then we can try the style tomorrow after I sleep, you know? You guys see these? Body yada 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 yada. Yeah, this sectioning is just super random and just all over the place. Oh my god.
You be on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot.
Oh wow, this is so long compared to the last time. Okay, Miss Girl, I see you. What should we call her? You know how Tabitha Brown calls her hair Donna? Like, what should we call my hair?
Nigga, try to run down, catch a shot, nigga. Running through these checks till I pass up.
There is only one name with the power to save, power to save, power to save. Oh, I'm getting a phone call.
Shorty give me neck till I pass out. I swear to God, all I do is cash out. And if you ain't a hoe, get up on my trap house. I've been selling practice like the.
These are my closing thoughts because I'm over here thinking about all the ways it could go wrong. And if my hair doesn't come out good tomorrow, there's nothing I can do, honestly. There's nothing I can do. So I guess we'll just leave it in the Lord's hands.
Diamonds on me, ice cream. Oh, that's light. My Draco bitch is fighting. Diamonds on me, fight. I heard these niggas wanna fight me. Meet me at my next show, but you better bring fight me. Yo, ain't fight, I guess she like me. It's like.
You guys, my mom walks in, I'm like, hello, what's up? She's like, I'm just here for a jacket because I saw your brown jacket and it matches my shoe. Looks good though. Cute. Wow. So I finished untwisting it. This looks horrendous. I'll just say it myself so you don't have to say it. I'm going to get a pick and some oil and just try and moisturize it and pick it out so it kind of looks better. I'm using this argan oil of Morocco. My Ghanaian accent just likes to come out sometimes. Honestly, I like it better that way. I had a completely different vision in mind. This is not what it's giving. This looks like if I didn't even do anything to it at all. Like, I'm just so confused. Even though it doesn't look like the picture, we're just gonna still like move forward with the hairstyle. So I'm gonna pick apart a little section right here and a little section right here. I think they're even. Wait, no, it's not. So I'm gonna take these two, I'm gonna twist them. I have two hair ties here that I'm gonna use for the little buns.
It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping.
I look like a little bug.
I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever.
Alright. Kevin Hart.
Shutting shit down in the mall. It's telling that girl she the one for me. And I ain't even.
Oh, my arms hurt already. Okay. I love that my hair like defies gravity, you know? I just can pull it in whatever direction and it'll stay.
In the call, I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever.
Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna I have these blue clips. Just because I did that in the last video with Drew, this will just be my YouTube clips. This isn't the final look. I'm going to get dressed, put on my makeup, fix this hair because this does not look fine. I mean, this part looks fine, but I have to do something about this because what is this, honey? I'm just gonna do it and then I will show you guys when I come back, okay? I look like a child. Like I'm 20 years old. Okay, bye. Ta-da! Okay, so I finished with my makeup. I tried to do a little blue eye to match the clips, you know. I forgot one thing. The girl had her edges done, so I'm gonna try and do that.
Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all.
I think you guys should rate me on how I did. I would give myself a solid 6 out of 10. Actually, no, 7, because I really did put in the work. I think the problem is that I don't have enough hair, and she had a looser hair texture than me. But like, other than that, I think I did a good job. Like, I think this is cute. I'm gonna go pick my sister up from school and get her reaction. Oh my god, your hair, I love it. It looks so good. Now I'm starting to have mixed feelings because I'm looking at it for too long. I literally look like an 11th grader. No, I look like a 1st grader, like on her way to school. Without the makeup, of course. This is the final look. I'm gonna spin around so you guys can see it. Okay, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'm happy with it. I honestly think it looks cute. Like, never would I have thought that I would, 1, go natural, 2, have my hair grow this much in such a short amount of time, 3, be able to style it like this. Like, I love it. I think next time I'm gonna get better products so that the curl pattern stands out more and it doesn't look as dry. But other than that, I think I did a good job. Give this video a thumbs up if you think I did well. Also, give me a rate. Like, how well do you think I did? What do you think I should have done differently? Any products you recommend? Stuff like that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Pinky promise you come to the next video. Okay, cool. Bye.
Pull up, can't see face, just hold up. Splash on waist in Tora. Shinobi steps up, Kora.